Hi guys, this is Sukriti. Today we are going to do our quarantine edition styling. So I have a single bedsheet of this color with me and we'll be making gowns and dresses out of it today. Let's go.
Start the music, please.
Watching it. If you did, let me know in the comments. And yeah, just a quick tip, I didn't show the whole of the mashakkat that I did in doing these dresses, draping this bed sheet as a gown and a dress. But yeah, what you need to do ideally is you can use double-sided tape, you can use safety pins to keep the corners and everything tucked in place. Yeah, that is the tip for this. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Let me know what kind of content you would want to see, and if you want to see more of such content, then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.